Okay, class, good afternoon. Now we'll talk about differential equations. Okay, today, ang subtopic natin will be uh, solutions to first order differential equations. And the technique would be variable separable. Okay, let's now go to our screen. What are our objectives for this topic? Okay, after completing this topic, we will be able to, number one, classify the different forms of first order differential equations by using this following techniques, okay? Separation of variables over variable separable, the homogeneous DE solutions, exact DE, non-exact DE, and the first ordered linear differential equations with Bernoulli equation and DE linear in X and Y. And number two, we will identify first yung variable separable differential equation. Ano nga ba yung mga kailangan natin gawin pagdating ng ating variable separable? And next, distinguish a homogeneous differential equation. Okay? So later on in our topics, we will talk about homogeneous differential equations. And next, we will test the exactness of a differential equations when we go to exact DE. Then we will write the given D in the standard form of Bernoulli equation pagdating ng Bernoulli equation and first ordered linear differential equations. We will identify whatever they are and then we will find the solutions of the differential equations of linear in X and Y. Number 7, we will determine the solution of the first order differential equations. But now, today, pag-uusapan lang natin will be separation of variables. Okay? Ano nga ba yung mga bagay na kailangan natin gawin pag variable separable? Ngayon, from the word itself, separable. Okay? We will separate the variables in general. We will separate the variables of y and then the variables of x. Okay? Where we will get their differentials. Okay? And kapag napaghiwa-hiwalay na sila natin, okay, meaning, I want to say na if y or meron tayong differentials of y, pagsasama-samahin natin lahat ng may differentials of y or any variable that y is involved and likewise, ganun din yung sa pagdating kay x. Okay? Ganun lang kadali. Ihiwalay natin siya. Parang factoring lang ang mangyayari. In order for us na ma-integral natin siya ng mas madaling form. Okay, so let's go with our topic. Okay? Separation of variables. If the variables in M, where it has X and Y, plus N, and meron tong mga X and Y, dy equal to 0, that can be separated into form na f of x with with the differential in terms of x and g g as a function of y and dy equal to 0. The solution is integrable. Okay? Kung maka-separate na sila. So, ibig sabihin, i-factor out and then you simplify and we will arrive with the function of x and the function of y in terms of g, dy equal to the constant kapag in-integrate mo. Okay? And to test the variables if they are separable, if the functions of the m and n are factorable as follows. Okay? Ito lang yun. Ganyan yung naging notation nila. Okay? And find the complete solution, sabi nga nila. What is the best way to show the idea none other than solving it? Okay? By having examples. Now we will have 3 examples. Okay? So, as you can see, we are given an equation na x cosine squared y plus tangent y dy. Ang kailangan mo lang naman dito is you simplify it. Okay? Now, how can we simplify it? Okay. The best way sa akin, para sa akin ihiwalay ko muna sila or maglilipat-lipat ako. So, this might be ganito. Yung x cosine squared y cosine squared y plus tangent y dy equal to 0. As you can see, yung m natin, this is m, and this is n. Yung m natin kasi is meron pa ring y. So, how will we do na yung y will be transferred to dy this way? Okay? So, x cosine squared y dx, nakawala yung dx, dapat dito may dx. Yan. Equal to negative tangent y dy. Ngayon, pwede natin itong i-divide both sides by cosine squared y. Now, to simplify, meron na tayong x dx equal to negative tangent y dy over cosine squared y. Now, is this integrable? Yes, it is integrable kasi wala na tayo natitira in each one na tulad nitong differential of x, wala na siyang y. Ito rin, nasa y na rin. Ibig sabihin, i-separate na natin yung variables na kailangan natin i-separate and then isama natin dun sa differential na dapat sila. Okay? If in terms of x, yung lahat ng x pagsasama-samahin mo. If in terms of y, lahat ng y pagsasama-samahin mo. Now, as we can see, pwede na natin itong i-integrate. Okay? This is now integrable. Now, as you can see, tignan nyo ha, pwede pa natin i-simplify ito. Okay? If this is integrable, let us set this aside. Equal to, ito naman kasi, tandaan nyo, the tangent, 1 over cosine squared y by trigonometric functions, that is a reciprocal, so that is secant. Okay? Equal to secant. So that is tangent tan y secant squared y dy. Now, anong dapat nating kukunin dito? Okay? Ano ba ang integral ni tangent y? Let us see, okay? Kung ano yung mas simpler. Okay, so let me just find the folder. Okay, as we can see, ang integral ni secant q, mas madaling integral si secant squared u du, magiging tangent q. Okay? So that is the integral. Okay? So let me go back. So ito yung gagawin kong integration. So if you will integrate this, ang lalabas is tangent y. Okay? So pwede kong gawing u du. Okay? This is u. This is u. Makukuha natin du. So u is secant squared secant squared y. So kapag kinuha ko yung kanyang differential, that is tangent, okay? Du, tangent ang lalabas. So, dadalawang tangent mo. So, by power rule, that is, okay, pwede ko na integrate ito. This will be x squared over 2. By power rule, power rule, minus tangent squared y. Okay? Equal to negative tangent minus c. Yan. So, further simplifying, this will become x squared over 2 plus tangent squared y equal to c. So, this is your solution. Okay, ganun lang ang variable separable. All you have to do is to separate the respective variables kung saan pagsasama-samahin mo all that is y and all that is x. Okay, ganun lang siya kadali. So, let's go with number 2. So, pardon me if I can speak this clear kasi medyo nagkaroon ako number 2, solution number 2. So you are given this equation. So x y cube ln of x dx minus 2 dy equal to 0. Now, all I have to do is to transfer this one dito. Okay, para maging simple siya. X cube y cube. Mali pala. X y cube. X y cube ln of x dx equal to 2y. Now, you can see. Okay? Kailangan magaling din kayo sa mga techniques in integration, okay? So you have to know the power rule, the logarithmic rules, the trigonometric functions, the integration by parts, by substitution. Yan, pwede yun. So this one, I can divide this by y cube kasi para matanggal yung y cube sa x. May sama ko siya dito. This will be x ln of x dx equal to 2 dy over y cube. Now, pwede natin gawin ganito. Pwede pa natin siyang further simplify. So, x ln of x dx equal to 2y raised to negative 3 dy. Okay? Is this integrable? Yes. We can integrate this one. So, itong part na ito, ang gagawin lang natin ng integration by parts. So, this is I, B, P. Ito, pwede ng power rule to. Okay? So, when we integrate, ito munang part na ito. So, let us set this as U variable, ln of x. So, when you get the differential of U, that is equal to dx over x. Tapos, yung iyong x will be, dapat ito dv. So, this will be, control J, so this will be dx equal to x dx. Now, yung v mo will be x squared over 2. Saan ang galing to? Sa dv. dv mo kasi is x. Okay? Now, we can solve, okay? Paano natin? Meron tayong IBP. Ano ba yung IBP? That is uv minus integral ng VDU. Okay? uv minus integral ng VDU. Okay? So, uv, u and v. So, uv. So, this will be equal to u and v muna, uv. Okay? So, uv is ln of x, x over 2, ln of x, minus integral ng v du. Okay? So, that is integral daw ng v du. X squared over 2 dx over x. Minus yung copying ko na to, equal to na negative 2. So, this will be negative 2 integral ng y cube dy equal to c. Kasi in-integrate ko na yung 0. Okay. So, for finalizing, ano ba ang integral nitong dalawa? So, dx over x, cancel ko na lang to. Cancel ko to. So, 1 half dito. X squared over 2. ln of x, inilabas ko na yung 1 half. So, that is x. So, x over 4 na lang siya. Making x squared over 4. Minus, matatanggal na to 3. Kasi, ang bababa dito is 2. Okay? Negative 2. So, that will be maging addition. So, negative 3 minus 1 mo, negative 2 ang bababa dito. So, this will be y minus 2. So, magiging plus. Cancel na kasi yung negative 2. So, y negative 2 equal to c. Sa akin, okay na to kahit hindi nyo na siya i-finalize. Okay? will be okay with me na. Okay? So, no other things na you need to do. Itong final answer na to, this is okay with me na. Okay? No further simplification. Then let us erase this one para makapag-proceed ulit tayo. Diba? Okay. Let me erase. Okay. For example number 3 ng variable separable mo. Now, you are given this DE. This one. Okay. Given this DE may be written as dy over dx, dy over dx equal to 2x plus 2x y squared over y plus 2x squared, excuse me, y. So, meron tayong factorable variables dito pagdating sa taas. So, ano yung common? This is 2x, this is 2x. Ang common din dito is y. So, 2x, 1 plus y over yung y, pwede natin factor. That is 1 plus 2x squared. Na pwede natin siyang ilipat-lipat. So, dy equal to yung y nasa baba. Okay? This will be multiply natin kay y over 1 plus y squared. Okay. Okay. And then, pagsamahin natin si x, dx equal to yung 2x all over 1 plus 2x squared. Lagyan nga natin ng diskarte kung ano yung pwede dito. 1 plus 2x. Magiging 2x squared. Okay? So, is this integrable na? Integrable na ba siya? Yes, this can be integrable. Pwede na siya integrate. Okay, integrate na natin. Ilalabas mo ba natin sa x? Yes. Kahit hindi na pala, kahit hindi. So, for simplification, this could be u and du. This could be u and du. Okay. Ano ba yung u du? Okay? That is ln ang lalabas dyan. If this is u, kunin natin yung taas muna. Yung u1 is 1 minus 1 plus y squared. Okay. So, ano ba yung differential ni 1? du1. Okay? Ano ba yung integral niya? Differential niya? Di ba yung 2y lang? Okay. Divide mo ito. May kamukha ba siya dito? Wala. So, divide mo ng 2. Okay? So, that is du1 over 2 equal to y. Okay. So, this will be, ilalabas mo magiging 1 half. So, this will be 1 half integral ng du over u equal to, ito rin, du over u rin. So, dito ulit. This will be u2 is 1 plus 2x squared. 2x squared, okay? So, ilabas ko yung 2. This will be du2 equal to, cancel si 1, plus 4x. Kaya lang, ang hinahanap natin dito 2. 4x dx. Okay? dy pala. Okay, dx. So, divide ko na lang para may kamukha siya. That is 2. Divide ko ulit ng 2. d1 half du over u. Now, further simplifying, ano ba integral ni du over u? So, that is 1 half ln ni, ano yung ginamit mong u? That is 1 plus y. Okay, may negative dyan. May negative. Wala naman. So, nasa kabila siya. X pa lang ginawa ko. Okay lang yan. Y squared. Okay, equal to yung x yung nasa kabila. So, pwede siyang ma-negative. Yes. Ma-negative. Ay, nilipat sa kabila. Ay, hindi na ako maglipat. Ganito na lang yan. Equal lang naman. May ako na lipat. So, 1 half ln na ginamit mo kay x. Yung ginamit mo kay x is 1 plus 2x squared, okay, plus c. Now, further simplifying, pwede natin ganito. Since dalawa lang naman yung ln na yan, we can cancel out yung 1 half. Yes? So, kunin na natin to. Anong gagamitin natin? Yung y ba nasa taas, nasa baba? Dito ko na lang. So, if negative siya, mama-minus mo, by logarithmic rule, kapag ln a minus ln b, ang kalalabasan niya is ln a over b. Ganun. So, this will be cancel na natin itong dalawang to. Pareho lang naman. So, this will be c equal to, anong sign nitong c? Equal to 1 plus 2x squared over 1 plus y squared. Okay, so pwede natin siya simplify. This will be the final answer. Okay, ganun lang kadali ang ating variable separable. All you have to do is separate the variables in order for them to be integrable. Okay? So later on, we will solve this exercise number. So all you have to do is solve for problems number 3, problems number 4 to number 10. I'll have to set this an example, yung problems 1 to 3. I will do this as an example. So that is for this topic, variable separable. Okay, to generalize, ulitin ko. All you have to do kapag variable separable, all you have is to separate the variables, and then you will make them join their differentials. Ano ibig sabihin? Pagsamahin mo lahat ng y in terms of y, pagsamahin mo lahat ng x in terms of x. Okay? In order for them to be integrable. And then once you integrate, mangyayari is you will get the particular, yung kanilang solution na merong arbitrary constant. Gets? And that will be all, okay? So I will set this an example, yung 1 to 3, and then all you have to do is submit number 4 to number 10. That will be your quiz, okay? Thank you and bye-bye.